Hello folks, William K. with the Interweb Strategist, and today we're going to go over another YouTube tip. There's something interesting I found out. I wanted to share a YouTube video with my subscriber base. Not my YouTube subscriber base, but my subscriber base that came in through my autoresponder. And in other words, whenever I promote a squeeze page, which is a web page that asks a person to fill out a form like their name or their email, just basic information so that they could receive some free training or free software or basic free webinar or some opt-in gift that I give them to get on my list. I wanted a more effective way of reaching them with my newer videos. And there is a particular autoresponder company that I use called Aweber. You might have heard of them. It's not the only autoresponder company, but in your beginnings of internet marketing, online marketing, they're pretty good. You know, you can build up a subscriber base. You could send an unlimited amount of messages to them based on your subscription level. You can broadcast them at any time when you have a new product or just an announcement in your organization or your company. You can easily just get out to them right then and there at mass. Say if you have 20,000 people per se, you could reach them all at once instead of one at a time, or instead of drip feeding it over days. Okay, and here's one thing I found. Okay, so if we go in you just take a look here and take a look at my Aweber account. If I go to do a broadcast message, if I go to create a message, oh sorry there folks, I kind of got some dual recording here going on the side over here. Okay, now if we go to the drag and drop email form builder here in Aweber, I'm going to go and start to create a broadcast that's going to put out a video. And the video that I'm going to broadcast to my list is a video I just did of part 2 to how to make commissions all day long. Okay, and now that we're here on the email message design board here in Aweber, they basically give you something to work with. But if you notice, okay, I can just say hi, and it's going to say the first name of the particular subscriber, personalize it a bit, and I'm just going to put hope your day is going well so far. As for me, I just uploaded part 2 of my video series. As you can see, I'm not the fastest typist in the world. I actually have some of this information on a notepad, so let's see if we can make this a little quicker here. And here we go on my little notepad, how make commissions all day long. Just copy that. Just come back here. And I'll just paste in the title right here. Okay, all day long. Space there. And now if we look over onto the far left, you're going to see there's a little option here that says video. There's one right under paragraph. These are the elements when you're using the drag and drop email message builder here in Aweber. So like if you wanted to put in a headline, you would drag this block over to your message center here. If you wanted to put in a button, you would drag that block over into your message center there. But in this case, we want a video. So see where it says video, that little play looking button there symbol? Okay, we'll go ahead and drag that over. Just keep your finger on that right clicking button and drag the mouse to where you want it. And you'll notice, see how that the area is going to kind of highlight a little bit to show you that it's dropped in. Okay, make sure, do it one more time. It didn't look like it made it. Okay, let's see. Okay, and now you see is a blank screen here that just says sample video, and so what we need is something to put in there. And if you look to the far right side over here in this area, once you click on this, the area you want to work with, and you come on this far right side, it asks you for the video URL, and it asks you for the video title, and it asks you for the destination URL. Okay, now for the title, I already did copy that, so we're going to put that in there, and we want to put, well, actually, I don't even have to do that. Watch this. This is something real neat. Part of what I find. If you just merely copy your YouTube URL, and by the way, as you can see, I got it all on Notepad here. All the information, the tags, the descriptions, and everything for my different YouTube videos, I have them on a Notepad. So anytime I want to get the meta tag information or the URLs for my videos, I don't have to go through YouTube to search all day for it. I just have it on a Notepad. Okay, now you see where it says video URL. You go onto that little hashing. We want to highlight it actually. And then we want to put in your YouTube. You paste your YouTube URL right there. You just paste it. Boom. Look what happens. It automatically populates the thumbnail image of your video and the information. Look, the destination URL automatically populates, and even the title automatically populated. You see that? Boom. So now all you got to do from here is you can save it, but of course it might be good if you had a subject. Let's go ahead and do a subject here. For the subject, I'm just going to put brackets here, part 2, because I know many people are waiting on the part 2. Oops, wrong thing there. Where's that notepad? See, that's why this notepad here is handy. I can just do this. Copy. I can just do that. And we want to paste that there where we already got part 2. Don't need to put that twice. Just little mental ramblings that you do when you're trying to publish. Okay, now save. Now we already have that message saved as it is, but oftentimes I like to go kind of an extra step and give some people a call to action. What I call a call to action is a button for them to click on that tells them to watch this video now, per se. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a button. Remember that option, that little icon button I told you could add here? Here it is right there. Let's go ahead and drag it just like we did that other little deal. Drag it, drop it right there. Boom, now button. Now we got the button. Go ahead and make it center. And what I said, we're going to put watch this video now. Okay. Colors I usually like to match whatever else is going on. Like I see the reds, I see the black, so I'd probably make it either a black or a red. That's going to be up to you how you want to do that. I always test different colors, and I notice it depends on what other colors are dominant in the message itself. That's what I notice with the colors here so far. Of course, I've always heard the green and the oranges do well, and they do, especially for a buy button. But call to action buttons, sometimes a little bit different psychological dynamics going on there. So for this button color, I'm going to go with the red. red color. Okay, watch it. Apply. I'm going to put apply. And I always do that blue save just in case I make a mess up or something. I kind of want to know. I kind of don't want to have to do it all from scratch. And I'll just even go one more. Let's see how everything looks here. Well, I'd say that's good enough for now, just to give you a basic demonstration. So you see, this is how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look here. The message, make sure you got no typo. Capitalize that. Letter D. Alright, now we can save and exit. Give it a few minutes here. And there we go. Now it automatically saves it into the draft area, the draft section here. So we're going to want to send it out to the list. But what I like to do is, if this is a message that I'm going to send to other lists within this particular autoresponder, Aweber autoresponder service, most of my different lists, they have different signatures, well, different from signatures. Like one might say from funnel X ROI, another might say from interwebstrategies.biz. And in order as to not confuse the subscriber, if I send every list in my autoresponder this particular email from this certain list, it'll say from funnel XRI, and those who did not come in my list through funnel XRI will be confused, and they'll be like, well, what's that? What's it talking about? Who's this? Boom, that's spam. That's got to be spam, because I don't know what this is. They won't be familiar per se. So what I do is, there's an option in Aweber you see here called copy to list. I will copy this one email to some of the other lists I have. Like I'll copy it to that one. I'll copy it to this one, and I will even copy it to my test list so that I can, so in my test list, which doesn't really go out, it has all my campaigns and everything, previous broadcasts in there and all that good stuff there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and send. Schedule broadcast, and let's go ahead and move my picture over here. I'll go ahead and share to my Twitter. Okay, Twitter account. It's going to send Twitter, and Funnel XRI is going to get the message. Now I could also apply a tag. I could say to if anyone clicks on my YouTube link, I'll add a tag to say YT clicks. Okay, put apply. So it's going to tag anyone who actually clicked on the video button, the play button, and send the message out. And it's going out. Boom. And that's it, folks. That's it. That's how you broadcast your newest video. I'm going to be putting out far more tips than this. These are all the things that are going to help you in your online business. And by the way, if you're looking for an online business, by all means, go to dailyprofits.biz. Get started. It's there's 5 income streams in one. It's succinctly set up, synergistically all together with everything you and your potential prospect would need to have success online. We have a special Facebook group. If you need, you can give me a call at 409-420-7218. Once again, that's dailyprofits.biz. William Caleb, the interweb strategist. This is the age of Aquarius. I am an Aquarius. You might want to give it Aquarius. Just saying. Dailyprofits.biz, folks. Thank you for your time and attention.